Welcome to this video about the Goetz family of Hertfordshire. This is the story of Sarah Lagden and Eliza Goetz, revealing a mother's secret and a daughter's resilience. In 1870, Sarah Goetz was charged with trying to conceal the birth of her daughter Elizabeth's child by burying it under the floor of a washhouse. Mr. Justice Hannon believed the infant was 7 months old. Sarah was sentenced to 1 month of imprisonment with hard labor, due to a mitigating factor of partial disclosure. Sarah Lagden Goetz was born in 1813. She married Joshua Goetz and had several children, including Eliza and Elizabeth Goetz. Eliza was born in 1844. Sarah's life was centered in the market towns of Hertfordshire. She married Joshua Goetz in 1836. The family's identity was strongly tied to the rural rhythms of the region. The records show Sarah's lifespan: baptized in Sawbridgeworth in 1815 and buried in Bishop's Stortford in 1879 at the age of 66. Eliza Goetz, the next generation, was born in 1844. Her early life in a small Victorian market town was characterized by limited opportunities. In 1868, 2 years before her mother's trial, Eliza married Alfred Thomas Wright. This marriage led to her migration from Hertfordshire to London. Eliza moved from the rural market town of Bishop's Stortford to the industrial East End of London. Her new world was defined by rapid urbanization and densely packed housing. Eliza became a resilient matriarch, living from the early Victorian era through the eve of the Great Depression. She adapted to urban life while maintaining her family network. Eliza Goetz's direct line, from her daughter Priscilla to her great-granddaughter Carol, demonstrates the quiet, profound significance of a single resilient life. The Goetz family faced immense hardship, culminating in the 1870 trial. Sarah's story reflects desperation in Victorian poverty. Eliza's 85 years are a testament to resilience and forging a new life. Eliza's life acts as a generational bridge, connecting the rural Goetz family of Old Hertfordshire to the sprawling modern families of London. This mirrors a great 19th century migration. Our research utilized records like the Eliza Goetz profile, parish registers, and the Hartford Mercury and Reformer from 1870.